Okay, here's a little tip for finding some other articles on your topics. If you search American Revolution in Art in EBSCO, this is going to be your results list. I scrolled down to number 6, Painting in the American Revolution. Sounds like a perfect article, but I've noticed over here on the left that this is just a review, and those are usually reviews of books. But a little tip is click on the title. Once you look at the title, you see those terms right here that are like hyperlinked. Here's the American Revolutionary War in art. You can click on that. That's going to focus specifically on that particular war in art, but you'll see there's some articles that come up that talk about things and Revolutionary War paintings and things like that. Also, if you wanted to do a search up here for American Revolution and politics, I went down here to number 4, Classicism and the American Revolution. And you'll see that right here, you're going to have 2 terms that you can look up separately. If you wanted to look up just the American Revolutionary War and kind of just as a broad things, or you can go right here to the U.S. Politics and Government 1775 to 1783. Once you click on that hyperlink, you'll see it pops it up here in the top, and you'll see the articles that are coming up for you. Now, some of these will say that they're primary sources, so again, if you need a primary source, those are going to be easily identified for you. You can always check the box on the left if you want and kind of look at just those sources right there. Some of these aren't going to have the articles attached. If you find that you need one of those, let me know, and I can try and track it down for you. If you only want to look at the ones that have the articles attached, you can click on the button over here that says full text. So there you go. Now, anything you want to look up in EBSCO, all you have to do is pop it in the top up here. If you want to put colonial life and America, you can do that up at the top and find articles like that. It works just like Google, but it's just finding articles from reliable sources.